today for the Bitcoin price. And yes, what I am about to show you right now is what probably 99% of the people in crypto space are missing out on right now. I am here to calm you down in these times, guys. I was here to tell you at 54,000 US dollar-ish. Well, guys, if we go below 52, I am expecting a dump down to 40,000. Now on the flip side that we are down, now on the flip side that everyone is being bearish, I'm here to calm you down. And I'm here to open your eyes for a very new perspective for Bitcoin. Let's get into it. And guys, this is an important one. I want you to watch this video. So, first of all, you remember before, we had this massive run towards the upside here in April, hitting 64,000 US dollars. And yes, right there I said I could imagine Bitcoin going to 75. Well, we didn't go to 75. I also told you, however, if we are breaking this bottom here, I am expecting 29,000 US dollars as my worst case scenario. Yes, and this is then unfortunately what happened. However, I was mentioning to you earlier, this is my worst case scenario. What tool was I using for this? Obviously, multiple ones. I used the EMA ribbon to predict this bottom. I used the Fibonacci golden pocket, you can see it right here, to predict this bottom, triple bottom directly into the golden pocket. And well, as you can see, this is exactly what was holding for Bitcoin. And now the question is, what is happening here right now? Well, first of all, let me pull out the EMA ribbon. You can see earlier we were supported by the EMA ribbon. We were holding the bottom right there. And right now, Bitcoin is very close to the EMA ribbon. Once again, we are slightly below. So now the most important question is, did we hit bottom already or can we go lower? I want to show you something. Let me quickly go over here. And you know what, guys? Before I continue, let me quickly turn around here and actually ask you for something. If you're watching this video and you appreciate these videos, no matter where I am, no matter where I am, what I am, even if I'm coming out of the shower as right now, but if something comes to my mind and I want to talk about that, I just need one thing from you. Smash up the like button to a new all-time high. Just give me this feedback. Likes, comments, shares. This is a feedback function to show me you want more of that. So kindly, people, please do it right now. I would truly appreciate that. Yesterday's video going through the roof. I think it was the most watched Bitcoin video yesterday in the whole world. 10,000 likes, 130,000 views. Thank you very much for that. Now let's go over here back into the chart. And what you can see is that, well, once again, the Fibonacci golden pocket is very close to where the price is right now. And yes, in 7 hours we are closing the candle, and I have to say I would honestly love to have the candle close above 42,850. That would definitely be bullish. But on one quick note, I just want to tell you, whenever Bitcoin is closing below, like here for example, look at this in July, the weekly candle closed below the EMA ribbon. Obviously, technically you could say, hey, now the bear market is starting, but obviously that was just one last volume supported liquidation event. What, like, the last week hands were shaken out, and after that Bitcoin was breaking towards the upside for good. So simply just a close below is not yet sufficient to say, hey, we are going lower, especially when holding a previous bottom here. Please give it like 3-4 more days of time and see if maybe there's one last shakeout event and Bitcoin is reversing towards the upside. Because one thing I want you to please keep in mind, just on the weekly candles, please look at this, guys. I mean, we have a high, we have a higher high, then we're having lows, and we are having a higher low right here, and even a higher low right here. I mean, this low is still higher than this low. So technically, we are in a higher high, higher low trajectory on the weekly candles for Bitcoin. So please, ladies and gentlemen, please keep this in mind. And if we then actually, just to look a little bit more into the future, if this were to be the bottom somewhere here in the proximity of these areas, then you could actually pull it up. And then finally, we would get to the 88,000 US dollars we were waiting for a very long time. But this is a little bit too far in the future. This is not something I would target right now as a price target, but definitely something, if we are getting this bounce towards the upside, we can target here in the immediate, not in the immediate, in the midterm, in the next few weeks to come for Bitcoin. Let me know what you think about that. But I have a very important thing as well. As Bitcoin is here, potentially at least, forming a bottom shortly or soon, right around these areas, around the 40,000 US dollar areas. If we are getting a volume supported bounce and we are reversing towards the upside again, breaking the previous bottom here at 45,700, I am going to get ready for my next big long position on Bitcoin. I am going to get ready. And where am I going to get ready? Well, guys, let me quickly show you right here. I am getting ready on Bybit and on Phemex. And as you know, if you are following this channel, for you, my subscribers, I have put together this Bybit link where you not only in the pinned comment in the video description, you get a $4,100 bonus. And yes, guys, please, it is not meant to use this bonus right now. You can just click it, register, deposit, and then stand on the sidelines until the good trading setup comes. Claim the bonus, however, already. And as you know, Bybit is tomorrow listing VPAD. So if you are in between the first 1,000 deposits, then you're going to get granted VPAD for free. I think it's 500 US dollar tether as a minimum requirement just to prevent bonus or airdrop hunters. Link is down below. Click it. The first ones are going to be the first ones for the deposit bonus as well. And yes, we still have a deposit bonus over on Phemex. We just had to wait until the threshold was actually full, and the deposit bonuses there are going to be distributed very soon as well. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Thank you so much for smashing up the like button to a new all-time high, and we are going to see each other very soon at the next one of MM Crypto. And as always, guys, as always, bye-bye.